Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Makita Angle Drill is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any professional contractor's or serious DIYer's arsenal, especially when tackling those tight, awkward spaces where a standard drill simply cannot reach, offering unparalleled maneuverability and power for drilling holes in confined areas, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to complete complex projects with efficiency and precision. Number 5. Katerk 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bit holder. Introducing the Katerk 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bit holder. Designed for ultimate convenience and security, it's the perfect tool for any job. This bit holder boasts great compatibility, working seamlessly with most 1/4-inch hex shank drill bits and various screwdrivers. It's a versatile addition to any toolkit. Featuring a secure backup nut and a high-quality steel ball design, it ensures your bits stay firmly in place, no matter the task. You can trust it to hold securely. Change bits with ease, even with just one hand. Its intuitive design simplifies your workflow, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Despite its robust aluminum alloy construction, it's incredibly lightweight and compact. Easily attach it to your tools for convenient portability. Looking for a practical gift? This durable and portable bit holder makes an excellent choice for anyone who loves tools, especially during the holidays. What we like. This bit holder is incredibly lightweight and designed for effortless one-handed operation. Its durable alloy construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. If you're looking for a convenient way to quickly swap bits and keep them secure, especially for tasks requiring frequent bit changes, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who values efficiency and ease of use on the go. What people say. They fit all my standard 1/4-inch hex bits perfectly. I tested them with a variety of bits, Phillips, Torx, and nut drivers, and they all slid in smoothly without being too tight or too loose. The retention is excellent. Once you insert the bit, the internal mechanism locks it in place automatically. It holds the bits very firmly. I tried shaking the carabiner vigorously, and none of the bits budged. To remove a bit, you just push the collar, the push to unlock feature, and the bit pops right out. It is smooth enough to operate with one hand, which is great when you are up on a ladder. Since they are made of aluminum alloy, they are very lightweight but feel durable enough for daily carry. They don't weigh down my belt loop. Number 4. Makita XAD04PT36V LXT Brushless Right Angle Drill Kit. Experience the freedom of cordless drilling. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, this tool delivers exceptional power, speed, and run time without the cord. Tackle demanding tasks with ease. It can drill up to 6 to 1/4-inch holes with hole saws and 4 to 5/8-inch holes with self-feed bits. Achieve more on a single charge. Get up to 160 holes in 2x SPF with 2 5.0 Ah batteries, providing long-lasting performance for your projects. Benefit from advanced engineering. The Makita-built brushless motor, combined with X2 LXT technology, offers no-load drilling speeds up to 1,400 revolutions per minute for maximum efficiency. Optimize your drilling with intelligent technology. Automatic speed change adjusts speed and torque during operation, ensuring optimal performance for any application. What we like. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, this tool offers exceptional power and run time without the cord. It's capable of drilling large holes with impressive efficiency. If you need a high-performance angle drill for demanding applications and extended use, this is the one. It's ideal for professionals who require maximum output and convenience on job sites. What people say. The Makita Angle Drill is a powerful tool that makes drilling in tight spaces much easier. Its compact design and lightweight construction allow for comfortable one-handed operation. The variable speed trigger provides excellent control for various drilling applications. Number 3. Makita DA3010 F38 Angle Drill. Experience the power of a 4.0 amp motor packed into a surprisingly lightweight design, weighing only 3.5 pounds. It makes tough jobs easier to handle. Drill through a wide range of materials with ease thanks to its variable speed control, offering up to 2,400 revolutions per minute. You can precisely match the speed to your task. Its compact size, measuring just 10 to 5/8 inches long with a 2 to 5/8 inch head width, allows for effortless work in confined areas. It's perfect for getting into tight spots like between framing studs. The paddle switch features a speed-limiting dial for controlled fastening, preventing over-tightening. This ensures accuracy and protects your materials. Worry less about damage with the built-in clutch. It automatically disengages the gears if the bit binds, safeguarding the tool's internal components. Enjoy added versatility with its reversible function. This feature allows for easy removal of fasteners and provides greater control during operation. What we like. This angle drill boasts a powerful motor with a surprisingly lightweight and compact design, making it perfect for tight spaces. The built-in clutch protects the gears from damage. If you often work in confined areas like between framing studs or need a tool that's easy to handle for extended periods, this is an excellent option. It's designed for precision and durability in challenging environments. What people say. The Makita Angle Drill is a powerful tool that makes drilling in tight spaces much easier. Its compact design and lightweight construction allow for comfortable one-handed operation. The variable speed trigger provides excellent control for various drilling applications. Number 2. Makita AD04R112V Max CXT Right Angle Drill Kit. Experience the power of its Makita-built motor, delivering an impressive 245 inch-pounds of maximum torque for demanding tasks. Achieve precision with variable speed control, ranging from 0 to 1,100 revolutions per minute. This allows for a wide variety of drilling and driving applications. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. Measuring only 12 3/8 inches long, it fits comfortably in tight spaces. Weighing just 2.7 pounds with the battery, it significantly reduces operator fatigue during extended use. Enjoy enhanced comfort with its ergonomic barrel grip design. This ensures a secure and comfortable hold during operation. What we like. This drill offers a compact and ergonomic design, weighing very little for reduced operator fatigue. It delivers a good amount of torque for its size. If you're looking for a comfortable, easy-to-maneuver drill for a variety of drilling and driving tasks, especially if you experience hand fatigue with heavier tools, this is a solid choice. It's great for DIYers and professionals who prioritize comfort and control. What people say. Like all of Makita's power tools, this unit works perfectly. It is easy to use and well balanced and is more powerful than I would have expected with the right angle design. The chuck is easy to open and tightens very well even on small drill bits. This drill is lightweight, has a 3/8 chuck and looks durable. Aside from that, it comes with a charger and 2 good batteries. I love this right angle drill from Makita. I highly recommend it for a brushed motor. It has lots of power and speed and truly gets the job done. Number 1. Makita XAD03PT18VX2LXT Brushless Cordless Right Angle Drill Kit. Experience the ultimate freedom with our powerful cordless drill. It's designed to deliver exceptional performance without the limitations of a cord. Our innovative X2LXT technology, powered by 2 LXT batteries, provides enhanced power, speed, and extended runtime for demanding jobs. Tackle a wide range of applications with impressive drilling capabilities. It can handle large holes with hole saws and self-feed bits. Achieve more on a single charge. Get up to 160 holes per charge, ensuring you can complete your projects efficiently. The efficient brushless motor, combined with X2 LXT technology, offers optimal drilling speeds for maximum productivity. Benefit from automatic speed change technology. It intelligently adjusts speed and torque during operation for peak performance. What we like. Leveraging dual LXT batteries, this tool provides substantial power and extended run time, eliminating cord limitations. It's engineered for drilling large holes efficiently. If you require a robust angle drill for heavy-duty tasks and long working sessions, this is the ideal solution. It's best suited for professionals who demand top-tier performance and cordless freedom. What people say. The Makita quickly reduces power and sometimes the manual clutch kicks in, so the binding is smoother and much more tolerable. The Makita utilizes 2 sets of triple gears for additional torque, which means less strain on the motor. This is an incredible tool with power to tear through anything. Tool is top quality, heavy duty, and could easily withstand day after day on the job site, ripping through framing members. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.